Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off Do Not Disturb on your Mac, step by step. Let's get started. The quickest way is through the Control Center. Click on the Control Center icon in the top right corner of your screen. It looks like two toggle switches stacked on top of each other. Once the Control Center opens, click on Focus. If Do Not Disturb is currently enabled, you'll see it highlighted. Simply click on Do Not Disturb again to turn it off. Once it's off, your notifications and alerts will start showing again, as usual. You can also turn it off through System Settings. Click on the Apple logo in the top left corner, then go to System Settings. Scroll down and click on Focus, select Do Not Disturb, and toggle it off. If Do Not Disturb keeps turning on automatically, make sure to check the schedule settings and disable any active schedule. And that's it. That's how you turn off Do Not Disturb on your Mac. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and helpful Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.